Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to play or share your Roblox game but keep getting the annoying message, this experience is not currently available, don't worry, you're not alone. This error is super common and the fix is surprisingly simple. So stay with me till the end because I'll walk you through the exact steps to make your experience fully public and playable in just a few minutes. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The main reason this error appears is because your Roblox experience is set to private or friends only. That means nobody else can access it. And sometimes even you get blocked until the visibility is changed. Luckily, the solution is quick. First, head into Roblox Studio and open the game you're working on. Once you're inside, go to the File menu at the top and click Publish to Roblox. This makes sure all your latest changes are saved and uploaded. Wait until the Publishing New Changes message disappears before moving on. Once that's done, return to the File menu again, but this time click Game Settings. A new window will pop up with several tabs. Go ahead and select the Permissions tab. Here's where the real issue usually is. You'll see the visibility of your game. And in most cases, it's set to private or friends. That's exactly why you're getting the experience not available error. To fix it, just change the visibility to public. This instantly makes your game accessible to everyone on Roblox. After switching it to public, click Save at the bottom. Sometimes Roblox needs a moment to update the permissions, so it's a good idea to refresh the page a couple of times or reopen your game's page. And that's literally it. Once the visibility is updated, the error disappears and your experience becomes fully accessible. So that's how you fix the "this experience is not currently available" error in Roblox 4. Super quick, super easy, and now your game is ready for players around the world. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on anything else Roblox related. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.